Hey, this is Gary Kay. We're here at the Extron Experience Center in Las Vegas, Nevada, ahead of InfoComm 2026, and I'm here with Rob Ricanu, who is the Director of Technical Services, and we're specifically in this section going to talk about NAV, which is Extron's AV over IP solution. Let's talk about it from a 20,000 foot level first.
Sure.
It is a system that handles both 1 gig and 10 gig AV over IP and kind of everything in between, right?
Everything in between. I like to joke around and say here at Extron we sell NAV and NAV accessories. It is really unique in the industry. We really built it from the ground up to focus on the enterprise network. So there's things that we do with NAV that really are unique and set us apart. One of the big things is the way, because we have our own codec, the Pure 3 codec, because we developed our own codec instead of taking somebody else's and sticking it in our own hardware, we were able to really tune that to work in an enterprise environment. And that's one of the things we like to say. We're the only AV over IP solution engineered from the ground up to run in your enterprise network. And some of the ways we do that with the codec, we do intelligent streaming, so we will optimize the stream for whatever your content is. So if you've got 4K 60, it may be a 600 meg stream. If that drops down to a static PowerPoint slide, it may drop down to 10.
And that happens automatically,
Automatically, right? All the time, constantly optimizing.
But as an IT department, I can actually set it to be static as well, right? Like
you can set a threshold. It's always going to optimize. So you can say how high you want it to go.
Okay, so you, for example, if I don't want it to go any higher than 800 meg, I can set it that way, and that's the highest it would go, but it would always go lower.
It will always drop lower.
Okay.
Yeah, so it'll always optimize your bandwidth.
Okay, and same with the 10 gig, right?
Correct.
I mean, you and anything in between.
Correct.
Okay.
And the two interoperate, so you don't have to have just a 10 gig or just a 1 gig. If you want to have a mixed environment, some 10 gig, some 1 gig, the 10 gig will drop the stream down for a 1 gig device.
All right, so in the early days of NAV, you had like an encoder and a decoder.
Correct.
Now you have a lot more than just one encoder and decoder, right? You've got
Correct.
a family of products. Take us really quickly through the family of products and sort of where your differentiation is.
Really, a lot of what has come out has really been around expanding the functionality of NAV and expanding how we get the signal in and what we can do with it, how we can switch it. So instead of it just being NAV, now we have DTP we can pull in, we have USB-C now that we can pull in, so we're trying to expand the input into the switching environment to give you a lot of flexibility in any of the designs that you have.
So the idea would be like you have a USB-C conference room, but then you can output across NAV.
Correct.
Okay.
Exactly. And the nice thing about NAV is it scales. It scales as large as your network is. So you run it on a converged network or an enterprise network. Mm-hmm. The switcher is your network fabric. So however big and however wide that network is already configured, put NAV on the other end of it and it'll work.
Okay, so I've heard about the software Navigator. Can you do a quick demo? Well, first off, what is Navigator, and do a quick demo of it?
So Navigator is kind of our management platform. So Navigator really gives you the ability to take advantage of doing things at scale. So instead of having to log into every single device and configure every single last little connection, every little setting, the Navigator gives you the ability to go in and configure the whole environment. Also manage, not only deploy, but manage and kind of optimize the network. It's a single source for the whole function.
So
basically.
An organization like a university that has NAV would have one single pane of glass to manage the entire university?
They could. It all depends on how you set it up. Typically, the way we do it is one NAV environment to one Navigator.
Okay.
But what we're finding is as soon as you have NAV in one room, it now takes over the floor, and now it's in the whole building, and now we want it on the whole campus.
Right.
So it's just continuing to grow and grow.
Can you do a quick demo of it if I pull this back over here for?
Absolutely.
So tell me how it works. Show. What do I do? Hit that?
Hit that.
I know the magic button back there.
Magic button.
All right.
So this is the Navigator interface. Anybody who knows anything about Extron and has ever worked with Extron, this will look really familiar. You've all seen this before. There's nothing new here. So I guess what I'm trying to stress is don't be intimidated by Navigator. Navigator makes this all really, really easy. So to go in, if you have a brand new environment, you can come in, all of your devices, your encoders and decoders are going to show up in one spot. You can select them. gives you the opportunity to import a file. So if you had 300 endpoints here,
so that if they were pre-configured already, you could
create a file, pre-configure them. It'll dump the config onto them. If you're going to configure them individually, we've got some unique features that I really like. So if you want to set your input and output numbers, if you set them in this box, it increments them for everything underneath.
Okay, so this is where you'd set your maximum bandwidth that's going to be used?
This is actually this is just setting up a configuration.
Oh, just configuring it for the network itself.
For the network, exactly.
Okay.
So you're setting up a new environment. This would give you the opportunity to come in here. You could name the location. It'll populate all of them. So instead of having to do it individually, it populates everything across the board. Makes it really, really fast and efficient to deploy a really large implementation. You can do the same thing with the network settings. Again, if you have a range of IP addresses, you would put the starting range here.
Pre-assign them.
It populates everything all the way down. Does that for the inputs, the outputs. It sets up all the scaling. And this is where you can adjust your streams.
Okay, that's where you set your bandwidth.
Yeah, so this is where you can set your bandwidth if you want.
And you're doing it device by device if you want, or you can do it globally for
exactly.
All right.
Absolutely.
And is this included when you get NAV, or is this separate?
This is not included, but we really do recommend it. And the reason we recommend it is it's not terribly expensive for the functionality that you get. It's about the cost of one endpoint, and you get this ability to control an entire project, basically.
All right, so it's the NAV system is their AV over is Extron's AV over IP system. You can learn more about it at extron.com. And thank you very much for the demo, Rob. And congratulations on everything. And we're going to go around and finish shooting videos at every single one of the new product stations here at the Extron Experience Center here in Las Vegas. If you want to see any of those, just go to ravepubs.com/infocom and type in Extron in the video search window.